Okay, so in the last video we have done the lipids introduction, the composition, not the composition but the types and these all. In today's video, we'll be going with the composition or like the more information about lipids. Okay, so let's start. First thing, lipids are the esters. Esters of what? These are esters of fatty acid and alcohol. Just because these are very important, lipids are made up of ester, fatty acid, and alcohol and glycerol. And this could be alcohol plus acid. This could be alcohol plus acid. Alcohol plus acid. This means the lipid is the ester of the fatty acid, the chain, the glycerol, the alcohol, which could be added with another acid. Now here the question arises: what is? I've just written fatty acid and this is alcohol. I've written alcohol but that's glycerol. Sorry for that. So here now the question would be arising, what is glycerol? Okay, so let me just write it here. Glycerol is the alcohol. This is alcohol. If you just write alcohol in the glycerol, that's not wrong, but there's a particular name we need to write according to biology terms, so that is glycerol. So glycerol is also known as trihydroxyphosphate, trihydroxyphosphate, and this is having three carbon chain or three carbon alcohol. Okay, so now if I just make its structure to make you understand, so this which color to do. Okay, so here we have three carbons as I just mentioned. One, this is so big. 2, 3. Then here we have the three carbons. First, these all would be attached the OH. Then here this is also attached with OH. This is also attached with the OH. Just because we're studying the bonds, we know on the one side these are OH is there. On the second side we only had H. These are the composition bonds. I will also make the video of that. Here in the end we will also have one hydrogen. Okay, so and we'll also find H over here. Okay, so now even when, just let me change color, so you can look into this H, the bond, and this all. We have bond between them, carbon. I just forget to write mark it. Okay, so now when we just write it this, we can simply write this as C H 2 as a down CH2OH. CH2OH, just look, C is in the middle. I've just wrote H2, how 1 and 2, 2H, OH is this one bond. Okay, so I can also just write it like this. So now let me just have pencil. So if I just write it like this, see, this is very small now. CH, this is CH. If you are not getting, so I am speaking CH2, 2O, H. This is H. So if I just write it this, then I would attach with the two carbon, just because first carbon is attached and we know we have three carbon in this glycerol. And as I just told you, we will attach one bond, one hydrogen here as well. And on this one side, we are supposed to add to OH. And here we are also supposed to write OH. So this was about the bonding and the composition of the glycerol, which is very